Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a llama ride. So let's get started. Okay, so over here is my llama ride in my survival world. It's really hard to build. It's really hard to build in survival. Just telling you that, because you need to get a ton of wood and a lot of fences. It might just look like planks. That's so the llamas don't escape. This is the real llama ride. Okay, let's show you how to build it in my creative world. Okay, so what you need is, number one, oak planks, oak fence, oak door. I just think oak looks best, so you can do whatever type of wood you like, but I just think oak looks best. You will need sand. No, we don't need that. We will need a llama spawn. This, yes. A lead. And just in case, just get a grass block. Okay. So first, you've got to make a 2x2 space of sand. You can do this as long as you like, but I think 16 looks best. It is best. Let's just get rid of that. Okay. So, and then leave a 1 block space. This is very important. So then we can put the fences in between. I think it looks better if you make this the same size here. And now we can put the fences. It's important that it looks like that. So now what we've got here is a T sort of shape thing with fences, and then we get our oak planks. We gotta go a bit lower. Learn. Needs to be 2 blocks high, so then the llamas don't escape. Why isn't this working? And you should do this. Sorry, it's lined up with the fences. Then you should have something a bit like this. Okay. Then we put the doors. Just place those down here. Make sure it's on that block, so then it can open properly and looks good. You can't walk through that. But anyway, let's continue. Now these llamas, they need to be tamed. Oh, I forgot one thing. Chest. We need a chest for decoration. Let's get rid of this glass block. A red carpet. Red carpet looks best on the left one, and then I think blue carpet looks good on the other one. Make sure it's blue carpet, not light blue carpet, by the way. So don't use blue orchids to make the blue carpet. Use this other flower that's more dark, but it's still blue. Okay. Now let's get our llamas. Ah, hello. Let's put you. Now I know we're gonna need hay bales. Does it need to grow this llama? One has to be on the other side. And that's probably gonna be the baby. Just one of you, please. Okay, you get in. There we go. Okay. Well, now we need hay bales. Hay bales. We don't need the sand anymore. What the? No, don't escape. There we go. Now we got 2 adult llamas. They need to be tamed. Okay. That one's surprisingly tamed on the first go. Let's give this one the red carpet. And now you know what I mean by the red carpet. So, and if we put the chests on, it looks more decorative because it's got chests on its back. and you can put in your loot just in case you need the llama to carry some. Then we need to do this one. Come on. Okay, good. Now let's get on your blue carpet and the chests. Okay, now you will come over here and you shall go over here. And that is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave on the notifications to never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.